A can of milk is 4 by 5 full. Let's say this is a can. It is 4 by 5 full. The milk is later poured into a can whose capacity is 4 times that of the original can. 4 times that. So it's a very big can. Right. This is 4 by 5 full of this capacity. Let's say this capacity is C. This capacity is 4C. Into this 4C, we are filling this. It's a small can, much smaller can. So this will go to a much lower height. In that 4 times capacity, we are filling 4/5 of C. What fraction of the larger can is filled with milk? And so it is 4 by 5 times C divided by 4C. 4 by 5 into 4 times C. That's the 4 by 5 into 4. That fraction of the larger can is filled, which is 1/5. The other way of doing this is a can of milk is 4 by 5 full. So you assume a can of milk. 4/5 is filled. So assume the capacity to be, say, 20 liters. So 4/5 is 16 liters. 4 by 5 of 20. The larger can has a capacity of 80 liters, 4 times that. In that, we are filling 16 liters, or the ratio is 16 by 80, which is 1 by 5. You can assume some numbers and do. The previous method is better, where you're dealing with fractions and ratios. You don't need to assume numbers, but that's a nice alternate method. We can try this also.